Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to talk about how to take quizzes and exams for this course. And in this course, quizzes and exams are going to be proctored by the system called Smarter Proctoring. And in this is actually the first video on this issue. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to log on to Smarter Proctoring for the first time you use. But when you use Smarter Proctoring, you have to use Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the only browser that is compatible with Smarter Proctoring. And do not use any other browser like Firefox or whatever. Only Google Chrome can be used for Smarter Proctoring. And then when you log on to Smarter Proctoring for the first time, you have to install Smarter Proctoring extension to your Google Chrome. In this video, first I'm going to explain how to install Smarter Proctoring extension to Google Chrome. And then after that, I'll show you basically how to log on to the quizzes exams using practice quiz number 1 as an example. And in the next video, then I'll show you how to actually take quizzes and exams. Okay, so you first log on to Canvas, and what you see is probably different from what I see on Canvas, but you must see something like this, something similar to this, and then what you do is to click on Smarter Proctoring. Probably you will see something like Smarter Proctoring here, and that's what you have to click on first. So far you see only practice quiz number 1, and then probably what you have to click on is here, view exam. And then you will get to, for the first time you use, you must see something like this one. Then you have to agree on those for privacy and terms of use for Proctorio, Smarter Proctoring, and then get started. And this test student, and what you have to do is to enter your basic information about your phone number and where you live and things like that. So you you enter your email address. And it seems you don't have to enter your phone number, but time zone, default currency, and then Columbia, Missouri. Oops, Columbia, Missouri, USA. Okay, and then save it. Okay, and then you can actually start your first exam. But since here, Smarter Proctoring extension is not installed, you are prompted to this web page. And then, so here, as you can see, get Smarter Proctoring extension, because this Google Chrome is not installed with the extension yet. So you click on it. And then just click on Add to Chrome here. Then add extension. It takes some time. Okay, then now it shows. Okay, now the extension has been installed. And then you can see here. This is where you can use Smarter Proctoring. So if you click on it, now you go back to, wait a second. Yeah, then now once the extension is installed, you must see this. And this is actually another instruction video created by Smarter Proctoring. So you may also watch this video. It's about like 8 minutes or so. But let's skip it for now. And then continue. And then what you see, things you are permitted to use, like bathroom break and blank paper. As I will explain, for quizzes and exams, you have to write down your answers on blank piece of paper. And then you move on to next, continue. And then here, what you see is what you need, basically. You have to have your student ID, and your room has to be lit enough. And you may use a cup of coffee if you like. And then here, system check. And then your camera will automatically check, and your microphone to make sure everything is working well. And then you have to consent to record. So I understand. Click on those. And then Proctorio will capture your entire screen. So you click on this here and then share. This means you share your screen with Proctorio. Then now, every time you take a quiz and exam, you have to take a picture so that make sure that your face is on this green square. Take photo and then confirm it. And then you have to show your ID. You may use your student ID. And then suppose this is ID with your photo. And then just make sure that it's in the green rectangle and take photo. And then confirm it. And the photo has been successfully captured. And you continue. And then you are all set. Then now you are ready to take the exam. And here in the bottom, you will see a box like this. You can just hide it if you like. Hide it. And then you click on here to start the exam. And then you'll be automatically prompted to this page. This is the page for the quizzes or exams, depending on what you take. For in this case, for now, you have a practice quiz number 1. And then what you do is to click on preview. And then here you will see a quiz. And then each quiz or exam will be given one PDF file. The file you will see here. So what you do is just to click on it. And then that will open up a PDF file. It takes some time. Here. And then for each quiz, by the way, there are 2 problems. And then what you do is just read the problem and write your solution in a piece of paper and scan it and upload it to Canvas. And in the next video, I'll explain how to do that.